Get it in here, get it in here, get it in here. Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and today I have something that is very simple that I would like to show you guys, and I would like you to give me your attention so that we get to learn all these together. So I'm going to be styling the bridal style for the natural hair, so I would like you to give me your attention so that we get to learn all these steps. So the only thing you're going to do, try to listen to these steps that I'm going to be telling you when it comes to styling. You know, we have been styling, but there are those basics that you're supposed to learn before styling. Yes, number one, whenever you're going to style, please, you should first know the head shape of somebody. Try to know the head shape of somebody, because here I would give you one trick, that those ones with a long forehead are those ones with short forehead. Yes, when it comes to those ones with short forehead, it is very difficult to do a side way. Get it from me, it is very difficult to do a side way. And to those ones with a long forehead, it is very okay with them to do a side way. You understand what I'm saying? So if you want to prove, you can also try it out. You will tell me. Those ones with short forehead, it is very hard to do a side way. If you get someone with a short forehead or a long forehead, then the styling will be easier for you, just because for them you can do all styles on them. It can be a side way, and maybe it can be a French styling, like you try to pull the sides and you try to style something on top. So when you're styling the natural hair, the first thing that you should be having, you have to be with eco gel. Yes, I'll be using the eco gel here. It's what it helped me to pull out all this. I'm trying to be speedy here, because I know sometimes there are those people who keep on skipping things, so I don't want to waste more time on something. So you have seen how I'm trying to hold these the hair on the sides. What I'm doing this side is what I'm doing the other side also. Yes, I'm holding it all together. So please click on that red button and ring the bell. Yeah, so I'm holding it, as you can see, and when I'm done with that, try to tie it very tight. Yes, I tried to tie it very tight. So what I would say about this natural thing: one, you have to be with the eco gel, and number two, try to know the head shape of somebody. Yes, after knowing that, and then when it comes to the styling, I wouldn't allow you to copy. It is not good to copy. Let's say that you're going to see this and then you start copying it and try to do it someone else. That will be wrong. The only thing you can do, maybe try to see it and you do something else from it. That one will make you a good hairstylist. So please try to see and do something else, but don't copy and paste. That one won't help you. You won't be creative. So we all be creative as we see some things and we change them in our way. So this is how I keep on doing the styling. And another thing I would say, whenever we do the styling, we just have to hide the pins. Yes, the pins are supposed to be hidden. You're not supposed to see them. Yes, that is also another step, so you should always be careful with that. So let's try to see the magic here as we are doing this. right, I think you've been following all the steps and you have seen how I'll bring it out. So for now, let me sign out. I love you so much. Those ones who are subscribing me, please, thank you so much, and I love you. I love you. Please, whenever you see something, try to practice it. You will be perfect. Bye bye for now. Let me sign out.